Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to enable these types of gestures in your Samsung Galaxy A17. Here, as you can see, they have the default one setup thing, which is, as you can see, which will have buttons. Now, to change that, at first we need to open settings, and here we have to scroll down to the display. Now we have to scroll down again until we see the navigation bar. Tap on swipe gestures and wait until you see that it has changed. And here, as you can see now, we have the full screen gestures enabled. We can adjust them up to our things if we tap more options. As you can see here, we can enable the sensitivity from lower to higher. And apart from that, we can enable disable the circle to search and enable disable, of course. And now I'm going to show you how to use them. So to exit the application, just swipe from the bottom to the top, just something like that. Now apart from that, we can move to the different applications at the same time using this now bar. I mean this bar. Just as you can see, swipe towards the opposite application here. Just left and right to move between the application library right now. Apart from that, we can hold the finger when we have, as you can see it onto the app, and it will do this all applications view. And here we can close all the applications. And now, what if we want to go back? We don't have this arrow here at the bottom. So actually, we have to swipe from the edge of the screen to the middle, just like that. And actually, that's how the navigation gestures works. Goodbye!